minus space en weer till mid snit.
Copy. I guess that's the lesson learned.
Starbox.
Still on now in 11.
Starbox. There's 2 Bambox now providing positive control service. Set score 2422 and Fist 1 recycle 2421.
Departure Arrow 1, path 300 for 190.
Arrow 1, Rapid North, Flight clear, identified. We're passing altitude 3000 feet, left turn on navigation in mountain range and maximum flight level 150 knots.
Arrow 1, path 3000, left direct on course up to 150.
2 set QNH 1019.
197.
Tiger.
1 cycle.
First class.
Back north, bullseye 31031, 25,000. 2 contacts hostile. Contact.
Fist over the flankers hostile.
Bambox. At Fist 2 you clear deltas 1 up to 8, mean sea level to 660, broadcast control to Angels 10. For the TRA 10, 10 Alpha you cleared 150 and have positive control sense.
Fist 2.
Inch 8, echelon northeast. Bambox lead group, bullseye 210, 49, 22,000, outlaw, space, single contact.
21049.
Contact hostile. 3000, outlaw, space, single contact. Bambox trail group, range 16, opening. Lead group, bullseye 302, 24, 25,000, hostile, single contact, track south. Bambox trail group, maneuver, range 18, 27,000, hostile, single contact. And 2.
Southwest, hostile flanker. Tiger.
And Romeo 4 is now fully active again for new players, so avoid Romeo 4.
Fist.
Bambox 2 groups, range 19, lead group, bullseye 291, 21, 28,000, hostile, single contact, track south. Trail group, range 19, bullseye 326, 29, 28,000, single contact, hostile.
Still hot.
Bambox lead group, hot again, bullseye 210, 41, 25,000, hostile flanker.
Tiger 1. Targeted lead group hostile. Bullseye 211 41. 24,000. Fox.
Bambox die trail group now azimuth 11, 23,000, hostile flanker, track north. Trail group, range 19, bullseye 318, 24, 28,000, hostile, single contact.
The lead group. Bullseye 20034. 21,000.
Bambox lead group lean for Tiger 1.
One target. Both groups hostile.
0019, 29,000, hostile, single contact. 20,000, hostile flanker. Group at 11, 23,000, hostile flanker, beam east. Group maneuver. Arrow, what's your picture group? So.
Arrow 3.
Groups at mirror beam in, bullseye 220, 39 and 23 and 27,000, hostile flankers. Base 1019, clear to enter the range.
Arrow 1019, copy. I'm going to try and get these LGTRs off while there's still a little bit of daylight.
Passing.
25,000 hostile flanker.
30,000.
The south.
31,000 hostile. Single contact maneuver.
Overcast 1600 feet. Visibility is 10 plus. The wind is 070, 150 feet.
Copy any LGTRs today?
Only one.
South flanker, single contact.
I want to spin, lead group.
Gunbox elite group maneuver, trail group drag. Box elite group bullseye 294, 16, 23,000 hostile. Single contact maneuver hold.
Transport you to the weather for the LCTR.
Prop 1, but it did not hit. Confirm.
31, 38, 28,000. Clear.
Gunbox elite group bullseye 229 and 31, 29,000 hostile flanker.
Tag 1, Fox.
Bullseye 224, 41, 22,000 hostile flanker.
Box trail group range 8 opening drag.
15 and above, 1 big 13 and below. 15 above for me.
Maneuver. Elite group maneuver drag, trail group maneuver hot, bullseye 295, 22, 28,000 hostile, single contact.
Windmill. Arrow 01, checking in.
Copy timeout. Taiwan spike range 18, 31,000 hostile flanker lead group.
2 shots, timeout, lead group. Tag 1.
Gunbox lead group push.
Number 1 below 13, and number 2 above 15. 2 LGTRs for number 1, 4 BD-33s for number 2. 45 minutes of playtime. We like the report code in the clear. We have ECPs, and number 1's attacking.
Bullseye 301, 14, 15,000. Bullseye 303, 19, 27,000 hostile, single contact.
Mas bola na banda, manda que isto é